and welcome back to yet another interesting video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing, flavorful and moist carrot cake. Let's get started. In a large bowl, I'll be adding half a cup of cooking oil, three-quarter cup of brown sugar. I like using brown sugar because it adds a very nice taste to it, to your cake. So I'm going to whisk. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 eggs. So I'm going to add one at a time. Whisk my second egg. Whisk. And now you really have to incorporate a lot of air in the batter. As you can see, my butter has turned from brown to golden brown. Actually, it is pale brown. So next, I'm going to be adding my next ingredients. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Don't use vanilla, strawberry, or any other type of flavored yogurt. Just use the plain yogurts. So I'll add this in my bowl. Next, I'll add my carrots. So I'm using 1.5 cup of shredded carrots. So the carrots are actually very fresh. Whisk just to combine all the ingredients together. It actually looks amazing. So my wet ingredients are ready. I'm going to put that aside. And now it's time to save my dry ingredients in another separate bowl. Before you start off with your dry ingredients, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour to your sieve. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger. So for my spices, I'm using ground spices. So now it's time to sieve. I'm going to sieve so that you can remove lumps in the flour and the spices. So now I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix to combine. I'm going to use my spatula and fold in the butter. So I'm going to be adding some extra yumminess into my cake. So I'm using sultanas in my cake. So I'm going to add a handful of sultanas in my cake because they're usually yummy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold in the butter. You just fold in. So I've already lined my baking tin, as you can see. It has parchment paper and I've greased the sides of the pan. So now I'm going to add my butter in the pan. So your butter is going to be semi-thick, so don't worry about how thick it is. So you spread your butter in the baking tin also. Man, I'm already salivating, yeah. So now it's ready to go into the oven. So you're going to bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until golden brown. And I can't wait to see how my carrot cake turns out. Waiting, it's a waiting game. So my cake is ready, as you can see, and it has been cooling on the rack for about 20 minutes. And I love how you can tell how moist it is from the outside. So I'm going to decorate my cake just a little bit. I don't want to spoil the nice flavors in the cake. I'm going to dust my cake with icing sugar on top, and that's it. I don't need more sugar for this cake. I just need to taste the carrots and the spices in the cake. So I'm going to dust my cake with icing sugar, as you can see. Wow, look at that. Doesn't my cake look amazing? Oh, I'm already salivating. My taste buds are dancing. Yay! So definitely this is a must try recipe, and trust you, you're going to enjoy this cake. So thank you so much for watching until the end of this video, and I hope if you enjoyed watching this video, you're going to give this video a thumbs up or like. So see you soon guys, bye.